Lumbu tufutuka kudamba mono keti mindele tukitu kanzambi. Kuna damba mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu. Kikosi kimabubu mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu. Lumbalu mona lumfitu mona lumfila ndo kingwani mono vandamba kakuidi. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono vandamba kakuidi. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono vandamba kakuidi. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono kuna damba mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu. Lumbalu mona lumfitu mona lumfila ndo kingwani mono vandamba kakuidi. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono vandamba kakuidi. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono Kutuka luwanda mono keti kundamba yisi ya manzambi. Luwanda mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu. Panza kinzabu mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu. Lumbalu mona lumfitu mona lumfila ndo kingwani mono vandamba gala didye. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono vandamba kafuidi. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono vandamba kafuidi. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono kuna damba mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu. Lumbalu mona lumfitu mona lumfila ndo kingwani mono vandamba kafuidi. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono vandamba kafuidi. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono Etumba Natisa Senga kiana Kutuka luwanda mono keti kundamba yisi ya manzambi. Panza kinzabu mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu Kuluswanda mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu. Lumbalu mona lumfitu mona lumfila ndo kingwani mono vandamba gala didye. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono vandamba kafuidi. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono vandamba kafuidi. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono kuna damba mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu. Lumbalu mona lumfitu mona lumfila ndo kingwani mono vandamba kafuidi. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono vandamba kafuidi. Yaye mono kweno yaye mono Kidoma Mama na melafoni Nati makambo manade kuna yani Ebumba sekele Mama na bana makangu kena yani Ebumba sekele Dada na bana jingumba ke yakali Ebumba sekele Papa tore kutimbi nila santi Ebumba sekele Zoka brito kingumba ke yakali Ebumba sekele Nati makambo manade kuna yani Ebumba sekele Nati makambo kuenda tukwende Ebumba sekele Merci. Nandamba kukatu boba Andumba kikulwe Mandu kukatu boba Andumba kikulwe Mavitu kukatu boba Andumba kikulwe Sakala kukatu boba Andumba kikulwe Kombo kukatu boba Andumba kikulwe Pete kukatu boba Andumba kikulwe Sawu kukatu boba Andumba kikulwe Kongi kukatu boba Andumba kikulwe Yana kukatu boba Andumba kikulwe Apatore Mwana ndumba kimwene kombo no senga makenwe Tatana bana kimwene kombo no senga makinwe Mama na bana kimwene kombo no senga dukechwe Matalio, matalinga itelele Isonisa, matalinga itelele Isakata, matalinga itelele Kono no molende Tuzindaza Tore Lakisa bango Swa utiako Tinka no manani kuna yani Ebumba sekele Mama na bana makangu kena yani Ebumba sekele nani kuna yani ebumba sekele toki ngoma ke yakana dumwene ebumba sekele nani makambo nani kuna yani ebumba sekele Kukatuboba andumba kikulwe kukatuboba andumba kikulwe pete kukatuboba andumba kikulwe ngongi kukatuboba andumba kikulwe ayana kukatuboba andumba kikulwe mono katuboba andumba kikulwe Lukombo Mwanandumba kimwene komo no seka makinwe Mama na bana kimwene komo no songa luketwe Dada na bana kimwene komo no songa makinwe Matalinga itelele kizolisa Matalinga itelele kisakata Matalinga itelele Matalinga itelele Matalinga itelele Lelo yilelo Kese kuna dama Kese kuna dama Kese kuna dama Kese kuna dama Enatinkano manani kuna yani ebumba sekele mama na bana makangu kena yani ebumba sekele tata na bana kingumba ke yakale ebumba sekele ezo ukabrito kingumba ke yakale ebumba sekele amatore zambe kuchimbi dila sanzi ebumba sekele enati makambo manani kuna yani ebumba sekele enati makambo luanda kakwende ebumba sekele Kimwene como no songa makinwe Mama na bana kimwene como no seka luketwe Matalinga itele Tufutuka kudamba mono keti mindele tu kitu kanzambi kuna damba mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu kikosi kimabubu mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu lumbalu mona lumfitu mona lumfila ndo kingwani mono vandamba kafuidi yaye mono nkweno yaye mono vandamba kafuidi yaye mono nkweno yaye mono vandamba kafuidi yaye mono nkweno yaye mono kuna damba mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu lumbalu mona lumfitu mona lumfila ndo kingwani mono vandamba kafuidi yaye mono nkweno yaye mono vandamba kafuidi yaye mono nkweno yaye mono Kutuka luwanda mono keti kundamba yisi ya manzambi Luwanda mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu Panza kinzabu mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu Lumbalu mona lumfitu mona lumfila ndo kingwani mono vandamba galadidye Yaye mono nkweno yaye mono vandamba gafuidi Yaye mono nkweno yaye mono vandamba gafuidi Yaye mono nkweno yaye mono Kuna damba mono nani ukatula nkweno kutu Lumbalu mona lumfitu mona lumfila ndo kingwani mono vandamba gafuidi Yaye mono nkweno yaye mono vandamba gafuidi
Kiambote toma kwiza vamos gustar una giza mbote apangize kwa kwena sitolonga ndinga tieto Kikongo. Welcome. We are now ready to learn Kikongo. Thank you very much for being there. Don't move. We start. We are here. Okay. We are going ahead. Kiambote nengwa mayangi.
Kiambote.
Lunama vimpie.
Ingeta. Lunama vimpe. Tutondele.
Nengwa lulemba. Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Lunama vimpie.
Ingeta.
Tunama vimpi. Tutondele.
Oh. Tutondele.
Nengwa Emily. Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Tunama vimpi,
Ingeta, tunama vimpi.
Okay, tutondele.
Tutondele.
Tata Grants, Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Tunama vimpi,
Ingeta. Tunama vimpi.
Tutondele, tutondele. Oh, Kiambote. Kiambote. Remember Kiambote. And this one, Emily, and this one. just say change K to okay.
Kiambote.
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 Yambi.
Oh, okay.
Remember. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, let us go to. We're going back to first lesson because of brothers and sisters and brothers. We're going back to the first lesson to help you to catch up. Bear with me. I need to share my screen. Okay, I'm sure you can see my screen.
Yeah.
You see my screen. Okay, this is our tradition. This is our ritual. We have to read every day because maybe some people are watching for the first time. Not only this, but we have to thank people that did this work because they done well. That's why we have to read it so that people can understand it over and over to know who they are. Nengwa Lulemba. Can you read it please for us? Thank you. Nengwa Lulemba.
Oh, Congo language course. Malungi, Marikongo, Kizombo by Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend John Hazel Carter, 22/2/1928 through 3/8/2016, received her doctorate with her dissertation, Syntactic Tone Phrases in Congo.
Sorry. I just clicked something. When we don't move. That's quick to find. Yes. Go ahead. Yes.
Syntactic Tone Phrases in Congo, Kikongo Language, African Studies Program, Department of African Languages and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Tutondele. Let's move quickly to the next one. Nengwando Namayangi. Can you help us here?
The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some language laboratory courses.
Tutondele. Nengwa Emily, please.
Kikongo is an annotation language. Pronunciation is very important because it can change the meaning of a word. Please mind the vowels.
You're going to hear soon. Kikongo is an international language. Mavimpi. When I say Mavimpi, It's fine. When I say mavimpi, I'm asking a question. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, lesson 1, section 1. I think Emily and Lulemba, Nengo Lulemba being there, just going.
Kiambote.
Kiambote.
How are you?
Nengwa Mayangi. Can you read, please?
Kiambote.
Well done, Kiambote. Who can read? No, Emily, it's fine. Nengwa Lulemba, it's fine. Anyone? Ayawa, David?
Yeah. Tata.
Oh, well done. That's good. Very good, David. Wow. Long vowels. Tata. You don't write like this. This is just a phonetic spelling. Tata. Thank you. Now, Ayawan Engwa. Can you read, please? Nengwa Ayawa. Can you read, please? Okay, David, to you.
Yeah. Nengwa.
Yeah, well done. You don't write double A, E. There's just one E, but this is just for phonetic spelling to help us to.
Tiata
Nengwa.
equals father.
Nengwa, mother or madam or Mrs. Don't worry writing down. We have all the resources. If you go to our website, everything's there. Don't worry writing. Don't worry writing. Are you writing? Okay. Don't worry. Just keep listening. That's the most important. We have everything online, YouTube, internet.
Tata.
Okay, thank you. Let me go to the next slide. Nengwa Mayangi.
Elo. Yes.
Be careful. We have a double long vowel. Elo.
Elo.
Well done.
Nengwa equals mother.
Nengwa, Mrs. Madam. Don't worry about writing. Ayawa, don't write down. Don't worry. If you go to our website,
Nengwa equals mother equals madam.
Madam, yes,
Huh?
yes. Yes, correct.
Lingua.
Nengwa, yes. Okay, David, please.
Ingeta.
Hey, can't believe it. Yeah. Okay. Nengwa Mayangi, over to you.
Ve.
Well done. Very no. You have not something we usually use ingeta, but wait no. Sorry, I'm getting there. Wait no.
Say it again, please.
Ve. Can you see my screen on your computer? Ayawa? You can't see it. I think you can't see it. You can't see my screen. Okay, that's the issue. Okay, here. Nengwa Mayangi. Over to you. You read the Congo, please, and in English.
Sala Kiambote.
Okay, we can stop there 1 minute. This is long vowel.
Okay.
Sala.
Sala Kiambote.
Yes, because we use the same word. I mean, you don't write double, you just one A, but same word.
I put it down. I put the pen down.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. And Sala Kiambote, stay. The same word for work. Sala.
Sala,
yeah. But that's why you have to remember when it stay, it's double A. I mean, you don't write double A, sorry. It's long vowel. Sala Kiambote. When do we say Sala Kiambote? Tata David?
Sala Kiambote.
When do we say that? You can read. Is there
Oh, for saying goodbye.
to?
So you are literally saying stay well.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Bye. Nengoma yangi.
It's said by the person who's leaving.
Yeah. Keep
Yeah.
this in mind because we're going to the next slide. Tata David. W-E.
Wenda Kiambote.
Well done. Then goodbye, meaning
Go well.
mm,
And that's
say
said by the person who's staying.
keep this in mind because we need to go to practice that soon. Okay, remember Salagambote. Who said Salagambote? The person leaving.
Right.
But now, Nengwa Ayawa, you're right. Can you read? Can you try to read? Can you see my screen? I'm not sure. If you can see my screen, no.
Delayed.
Can you see the screen? I don't think so.
I think it's
There's a
delayed.
huge
Yeah,
delay.
maybe her Wi-Fi may be very slow.
Okay.
It's like a 5-minute delay.
Okay. Nengwa Mayangi. That's good test for you.
Nusala Kiambote.
Mm-hmm.
Just stay well. You say it to
Mhm.
several people or a senior person.
That's very important because now you think like Congo person. When I say Congo person, I mean with K. Mm?
Yeah.
I remember a sentence, but in French, I can't translate it right now. Nous ne sommes pas de la philosophie, hein, de la. Okay, when you come back, I'm going to tell you because basically this is thinking à la Congo. Mm? Nous ne sommes pas de la philosophie de l'autonomie individuelle. Let's try to translate. We are not of individual. La philosophie individuelle. Okay, sorry, I don't want to stop here. I have to stop here. I come back to that. Okay, we respect our elders. Remember, Congo people, African people in general. That's why when you say Nusala Kambote, either you say to several people or you say to the senior. Let us move. Okay. Name Mayangi, please.
Kedyambuku.
Well done.
It doesn't matter or never mind.
Well
Literally,
done.
it's not fair.
Ayawa, how are you? Can you see my screen? Can you hear me? Okay. There's the issue there. Okay. Diambote. Remember? Diambote. And this Emily?
Right. Don't ask me.
Name one remember your turn. And this
Oh, my poor little notes. It's terrible.
just change this O. Delete TE. Just change this O. Put I. Delete TE. Just put
Yeah.
I here.
Oh.
Diambi.
Say it again, please.
Diambi.
Jambi.
Diambi.
Jambote Jambi. Nengwa Mayangi. Over to you, please.
Aweyi.
Well done. Away.
My goodness. Or is it how?
Yes. Thank you. Tata David.
Akwe.
Akwei. Can you say it again, please?
Akwe.
Akwei.
Yeah,
well
I
done.
can see it.
Oh, you can see my. There's a delay.
5-minute delay.
Oh, that's it. Ekumanki. Tata David.
Ekumanki. Why?
Mhm.
The reason is
Yeah.
weak. Mhm.
Yes, thank you. Okay. Nengwa Mayang, it is for you.
Uh,
Even in Manyanga, I think they said that.
Yeah. Okay, sorry. Kewako.
Yeah, that's good, But the way you read it, will sound kewakwe,
Kewakwe.
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 Okay, test,
right?
test. Nengwa Emily, kewakwe. Your reply?
Kewakwe?
Yeah, I'm asking.
Oh my gosh.
Nengwa Lulamba, can you help please?
Kewakwe. Ve. Can I say ve?
I can help you. Start with E, E-W.
Edo.
Iwao. Iwao.
Iwao.
Iwao. Kewakwe, Iwao.
Iwao.
Iwao, your reply. Nengwa Mayangi, please.
Sansuka.
Ah, Sansuka. Well done. Brother David, your turn is coming up.
Undoloka.
Undoloka.
But the accent is on the first.
I know. That's what I was about to say. It's confusing sometimes, but the way I'm just basically I just copy the exact way they wrote it. That's why I mean we need to be faithful to the author, you know. This is how they wrote it, but normally you say Undoloka.
Okay. Undoloka.
Yeah, you're right. Well done. Forgive me.
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Undoloka. Okay. Well done. Nengwa Mayangi, you need to be brave, yeah.
Away Vovele.
Oh, well done, yeah. Away over Vele. What did you say? Yeah, very impressed. Away over Vele. Okay, man, the long vowel started David.
Kiwidiko.
Well done.
I didn't hear. I haven't understood.
Yes. Okay, Nengwa Mayangi.
Okay. Nkumbu Ame.
Then you put your name. Ekumbwame.
Nkumbu Ame Ndona.
Because here you have a vowel contraction. U and A. Yeah? Let's go Kumbwame.
Kumbwame. Ekumbwame Ndona.
Yeah, well done. Wow. Okay. The question will be Kumbwa Kunani, Tata David. Kumbwame. I wouldn't say your name.
Nkumbu Ahmed David.
Yeah, okay. Let me just repeat my question. Kumbwa Kunani Tata.
Nkumbu Ahmed David.
Ah, well done. Wow. Okay. We finished. For this one, we're going to the next slide quickly because we done this already. Just going back to help you to catch up. We're going for week. Days of the week. Okay, we don't need to read it again. Okay, let me just go back. Days of the week. Emily, name Lulemba question.
Karamosi.
Name Lulemba. How do I say Tuesday?
Tuesday?
Yes, please.
Kayon. Yeah, Kayon.
Good try. So remember your units numbers.
Kayazule.
Yes.
Kayazule.
Nengwa Mayangi.
Kiambosi.
Well done, Kiamosi.
Kiamosi.
Monday, yes.
Monday.
Tata Devi.
Kiazole.
Well done. By the way, if I go back, remember, prefix kia keep repeat itself, but most is one. Most is one. Zole is two. Kiazole.
Okay, tattoo.
Kiatatu. Kiaya.
Katano.
Kiatanu, or you could say, depending on the region, area, some people say, you could say Kitanu, Kiatanu, 5. We're coming to numbers, Emily, soon.
Kasabala.
Cassava, well done. Cassava.
And Kaya Lumingo.
Yay, Kelumingo. 1 minute, please. Kelumingo. Kelumingo. Can you read, please, Emily?
Ewanu. Katano.
Kiatano. Okay, you back? She's back. Alright, name go my English, just go back.
Hello? You don't have to go back.
Can you read the
Kiaya.
Kiaya? Kiatano.
Kiatanu.
Kiasabala.
Kiasabala.
Well done, Kiasabala. Basically, it's from Portuguese. Kelumingo.
Kelumingo.
Mingo.
Mingo.
Can you try to read that Nengwa Mayangi, please?
Ewunu Kiatanu.
Oh, well done. Kiatano meaning?
I can't read that. Stop trying.
Oh, sorry. It's gone again. Sorry.
It's fine.
I'm looking at the screen. Sorry.
It says
Yeah.
Today is
Kiatano, yeah?
Today is Friday? Is that what it is?
Yes.
Today's Friday. Okay.
Kiatano. Can you say today's day, weekday? Ewunu kia.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I'm going back. Don't worry. I'm going back.
Ewunu kia.
No, Emily, don't worry, Emily. Yeah, Nengoma, can you see? Yeah?
Yes.
Sunday.
Ewunu Kialumingo.
Well done, Ewunu Kialumingo. Now, Emily, Nengwa question. How do you say week in Kikongo?
Lumingo.
Lumingo, well done. Well, just take away, just delete this prefix here. You got Sunday. Lumingo. Okay, before I don't want to say it live here, but before we were colonized, we did have our own week. Congo week. It's a Congo week. We had 4 days a week. Okay. Now for Brother David.
Yes.
Right there. Ewunu kia. Today's day. Ewunu kia.
Kiamingo.
Kialumingo. Well done. Ewunu Kialumingo. Ayawa, she wants to join. Let me see. Sorry, let me just see if you can connect. Ayawa, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hope that this time there won't be an issue now. We're going to the new. Okay, you missed it. So, but we have everything online on our website.
Okay.
Don't worry. People. Let me just see. If I can read something, people are commenting. They're saying hello. How is that? Okay. I can't show it live because some people are rude, you know. That yeah. They're not happy because you're learning Kikongo. You can't help. Because we are everywhere. We are streaming on Facebook, YouTube, Periscope, and Twitch. Is it Twitch? Twitch, yes. Numbers. Nengoma yangi, be ready.
Ingeta.
Nengoma yangi, be ready. You need to. Okay. Pavala.
Pavala.
Carry on, please.
Mosi.
Yeah, well done. Zole.
Zole.
Zole, because Zole is a long vowel. Carry on, please.
Tatu.
Yeah.
Tanu. Sambanu.
Sambanu.
Okay.
Sambwadia.
Sambwadia.
Nana. Voix. Kumi. After David, please.
Pavala.
Well done.
Mosi. Zole. Tatu. Ya. Tanu. Sambanu. Sambwadia.
Nana.
Sambwadia. Nana. Voix.
Kumi. Well done. Wow. Well done. Now we're going to tens. Remember, Mosi, Zole. Just remember this. Mosi, Zole, Tatuya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwadia, Nana, Voix, Kumi. We go to tens. 10 is easy. No more easy. From 20 to 60, the prefix is
Maku.
Maku. Yeah, exactly. Let me just hope it's going to work now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Give me 1 minute. I need to share my. I think I should share on. I should share my. Yes.
You should share their comments.
The PDF file. This one is good. You see it? But give 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. I think this is the 10. Okay. This is this. Kumi. Sorry. I'm sorry. I have to go back because I forgot. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Because before there was a delay. Let me go back. Can you read the? Can you try to read?
You want me to read it?
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Can you see my screen? Pavala. There's a delay. Mosi.
Pavala. Mosi.
Zole.
Tatu.
Ya.
Tanu.
Yes.
Sambanu.
Yes.
And
Sambwadia.
Sambwadia. Nana.
Nana.
Voix.
Kumi.
and Kumi.
Well done. Wow. Okay, now go to tens. Remember your units. I want to help about the unit. Don't worry. Just I need to remember the tens. Kumi 10. Then we got maku up to 60. Nengwa mayangi. I'm picking on you, please.
Okay. Do you want me to just read these?
Yes, please.
Okay. Kumi,
Mm,
makumole,
mm,
makumatatu,
mm,
makumaya,
mm,
makumatanu,
mm.
makumasambanu.
Oh, well done, well done, well done. Tata David.
Okay. Kumi,
Mm-hmm.
makumule,
Mm-hmm.
matatu,
Mm-hmm.
makumaya,
Mm-hmm.
makumatanu,
Mm-hmm.
makuwasambanu.
Well done, Oguma Sambano. Ayawa, please.
Kumi,
Yeah.
Maku, Moli,
Mm-hmm.
Maku, Matatu,
Mm-hmm.
Maku, Maya,
Yes.
Maku, Matanu,
Mm-hmm.
Maku, Masa Bananu.
Masamban. Well done. Wow. You don't write Maku. I mean, I just put the hyphen here just to help us, yes? You just write as one word, but because it's just an easy way to remember, it is a prefix. Makumole. Okay. Nengwa Mayangi 22. Everything is there. Everything is there.
Yeah. Makumole zole.
Well done. But before unit, you have a ye always.
Okay. Makumole yezole.
Well done. Tata David 44, please.
Makumaya, I don't remember what 4 is.
Is there? Everything is there. Bottom of the
What?
screen, everything is there.
Oh, so Makumaya Maya?
Nakumaya ye, yeah. Well done. In between, you have ye between tens and units.
Oh, between the yeah, okay.
Yeah. Hey, Nengwayawa, are you ready? 55, please. There's a delay, I think. Okay, Emily, you haven't got,
I don't know
you are
what
there.
5
You
is, but
you have-
Maka, Matanu,
Yes. Ye. Yetanu. Oh, there's the issue
I didn't
connection.
understand.
55.
Yatanu.
Kumatanu. Mm-hmm. Ye tanu.
I'm still here and I can hear you.
I think there's a delay. Emily.
I don't know.
Yeah, unfortunately, because of the fires, our internet system, that's why last week it's really, really bad.
Okay, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let us move
Maku,
to
Matanu, yeah,
Yetanu.
Tanu.
Well done. Okay, remember tens up to 60 maku, the prefix. Kum is 10. Then we got makumole, makumatatu, up to 60. Prefix is maku. Okay, be careful. 70 to 90, it is not the same. Lusambwadia. Tata David, please.
Lusambwaji, Lunana,
Mm-hmm.
Louvois.
Mm-hmm. 100 is kama. Kama. 100 is kama.
Kama,
Kama, yes. Nengwa Mayangi.
Lusambwadia.
Mm-hmm.
Lunana.
Nana.
Louvois.
Okay. Kum is 10. Who is brave to read from 20 to 90? Brother Dave, can you try, please?
yes. Lusamboadia.
No, from 20. We start from the Maku. Maku up to, remember, up to 60.
Uh-huh.
Up to 60 is Maku. From 70 is prefix is Lu.
Right.
But if you see, everything's here. Everything's here.
Okay,
Even the
so
Maku Mole is there. Makumaya is there. Just Maku. Can you try 20, please? Maku Mole. Maku Mole.
Makumo Ole.
Makuma Tatu. Makuma Tatu free. Makuma Ya. Makuma Tanu. Makuma Sambanu. Then you have Lusambwadia, Lunana, Luvwa. Name Mama Yangi. Can you try, please?
Makumose, Mosi, Makuzole, Makumazole.
Don't worry. I know I've confused you. Sorry. These are units. Don't worry.
Yeah,
Just remember your Maku. 20
Makumaya.
Makumole. 20 Makumole. 30.
Yeah.
30. We got. Let me just go back quickly.
Yeah.
Is there? Makumole. Makuma Tatu. Makuma Ya. Makuma Tanu. Makuma Samban. Then we change the prefix to Sambwadia, Lunana, Luvwa.
Yes.
How do you say 77? Nengwa Mayangi.
Lusamboadia. Yes.
Well done.
Yes, Samboadia.
Well done. If you look carefully, the answer is there. 70.
Yeah.
5, 7. Nengwa Ayawa. Can you hear me? Brother David, how do you say 99?
Voix, ye, voix.
Well done. The answer is there because the Lu is prefix. Le voyez voix. Okay, we will stop there for numbers. You don't need to memorize. Everything is there. If you go on our website, we have everything for you to read. Okay, thank you very much. Emily, how do you say 40? You're not out of the hook. Emily, how do you say 40?
I'm not off the hook.
You're not.
Makatano.
The answer, if you look at the bottom here, the answer is there. You got your Maku prefix.
Oh.
Makuma.
Yeah.
Makumaya. Yeah, well done. Okay, thank you very much. You done well. Now we are going to proper lesson now. Be careful. Proper lesson. I mean, now we're going to talk. Speak in Kikongo. There we will share my screen, the new one. Someone was not happy to see you learning Kikongo, no?
That's fine. I hope they have a good life. I wish them well.
They were not happy. So, no, how come these people are learning? Okay, this one we can jump in. We can jump. Okay. This is lesson 2, section 1. Very, very, very careful. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Okay, I think we've been there. We've been here. Emily and Nengolu and Babat. We just trying to help Dr. David. Dr. David.
Okay.
Let me just go back. Sorry, I'm sorry. Let me just go back to to the title. Okay, it's not there. Don't worry. Yes, please.
Yes. Onge Osinga Jie.
Oh, well done. Onge Osinga Jie.
Elo. Omon. Elo. Omon Isinga Jia.
Well done. Omono Osinga Dia. You're right. These are accents are confused, but you're right. This is Osinga Dia. Nengwa Mayaki.
Onge Osinga Jie. Elo Omon Isinga Dia.
Omono Osinga Dia.
Omon
We
Isinga
have you have Ngeye. Ngeye you, yeah. Ngeye you. Osinga future going. Ayawa, are you there? The connection is not good. Okay. Then go remember, please, because just you've done it before, but we just have to go back again, please. Over to you. Go ahead.
Onge
Kosoke.
Osinga Kosoke.
Elo.
Elo
Well
Omon
done.
Isinga.
Onge Osinga Kosoke. Elo Omon Osinga Kosoka.
Omono Isinga Kosoka. Nengwa Ndona Mayangi, please.
Onge Osinga Kosoke. Elo Omon Isinga Kosoka.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Omono Isinga Kosoka. Tata David, please.
Onge.
Like indeed, okay, or of course.
Yeah. Yeah, evidence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Onge Osinga Nwe. Elo Omon Isinga Nwa.
Singanwa. Nengwa Mayangi, please.
Onge Osinga Mwe. Elo Omon Isinga Mwa.
Omono Singanwa. Well done. Give us move. Okay, here we are. See? We go again. Tata David, please.
Onge Osinga Sale. Elo Omon Isinga Sala.
Nengwa Mayangi.
Onge Osinga Sale. Elo Omon Isinga Sale.
Singa Sala. Nengwa Lulemba, please. You done it before.
Onge Osinga Sale. Elo, Omon, Nsinga, Sala.
Yeah, well done. Remember, ngeye, it's you. Ngeye, you.
Ngoye.
You. Ngeye, you. Mono, it's me. Yeah. Emily, please.
Onge Osinga Salie.
Mm.
Elo on Osinga Sala.
Well done. Okay. That's good. I think Brother David did well. Can you help us again? Tata David. But I'll put you on spot, you know. You're
It's
on
okay.
spot. Be careful.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Onge Osinga Sale. Elo. Omoni Singa Sala.
I'm going back. We have Salah here.
Mm-hmm.
We have Salah here. Yes. I'm going back. Can you read the first one, please?
Onge Osinga Sale. Elo. Omoni Singa Sala.
Okay, that's saying now. Okay, again.
Too
Onge
smart.
Osinga Sale. Elo. Omoni Singa Sala.
There's no long vowel there, we just Salah. Let me just go back again. Nengwa Mayangi, please.
Onge Osinga Sale. Elo Omoni Singa Sala.
We have a long vowel here, that's good. Now, remember, this is a long vowel, not here. Again, please.
Onge Osinga Sale. Elo
Yeah,
Omoni Singa Sale.
Salah. Well done, yeah, well done. Well done. Nengwa Lulemba.
Onge, Osinga, Sikame.
Well done.
Elo, Omon, Nsinga, Sikama.
Singa Sikama. Wow, well done. Nengwa Emily.
Onge Osinga Sikame. Elo Amon Osinga Sikama.
Singa Sikama. Nengwa Mayangi.
Onge Osinga Sikame. Elo Omoni Singa Sikama.
Yeah, Tata David.
Onge Osinga Sikame. Elo. Omoni Singa Sikama.
Yes. Remember here, we have ngeye. But because of the vowel contraction, after Y, we have E. But because of vowel contraction, E and O, ungeye. We were not writing. You could just read ungeyo, singa sikama. That's correct. Ungeye or singa sikama, ungeyo singa sikama. Let's move. Okay. Nengwa Mayangi.
Onge Osinga Tange. Elo Omoni Singa Tanga.
Singa Tanga.
Tanga.
Well done. Brother, Tata Devi, please.
Onge Osina Tange. Elo. Omoni Singa Tanga.
Yes. Nengwa Lulemba.
Onge, Osinga, Tiange. Elo, Omon, Nsinga, Tanga.
Okay, thank you. We have to rush. Thumbs up. Nengwa Mayangi, please.
Onge Osinga Vingile. Elo.
Yeah, well done. But we have a long vowel here. Can you do it again, please? Can you read again, please?
Onge Osinga Vingile. Elo Omoni Singa Vingila.
Wow, well done. Onge yosinga vingile. Remember, ngeye is the ngeye you. Mono is me. Onge yosinga vingile. Tata Devi, please.
Onge Osinga Vingile. Elo. Omoni Singa Vingila.
Thank you. I'm going quickly because Nengwa Lulemba been there. Emini. Nengwa Mayangi, please.
Onge osinga vove, elo omoni singa vova.
Wow, well done. You sound like Manyanga, see? I can hear Manyanga people talking, you know. Onge, make sure you see, how do you say ongeye, usinga, or you read ongeyo. Is it clear, man? Yes. How do you say ongeye, usinga vova, or ongeyo? It's same thing, correct. Wow. It just rush. Brother David, Tata David.
Onge, usinga vutuke,
Wow, well done.
elo, omoni singa vutuka. It's a vutuka.
Singa vutuka. Sorry, confusing the accent. Nengwa Mayangi.
Onge osinga vutuke, elo omoni singa vutuka.
Wow, well done. Okay. You done well, see? Jambote. Kewakwe. Emily, question to you. Kewakwe.
Tiambote.
Kewakwe. Iwao. Remember? Iwao. Jambote. Thank you very much. We're stopping there. You done well. Yeah. Remember to say, how do we say, because we're going to say bye now. We're going to say bye now. I'm staying. What do you say to me? I'm staying, you're going.
Tiambote.
It's Kia something. I don't know.
Sala. Remember Sala, staying. Sala. Staying. Sala, Gambo. But make sure you got the long vowel. I'm staying, Sala. You staying, Sala. Sala, Gambo.
Sala Kiambote.
So if you were staying, let's say, I'm leaving, you stay, what would you say?
Wenda Kiambote.
Wenda Kiambote. Sala Kiambote, Wenda Kiambote. Too many people who are leaving, Nwenda Kiambote.
Nwenda Kiambote.
Why do we say that? We say that to people leaving, or to
seniors. Yeah.
Why do you say that?
It's respectful.
Yes, well done. Who said that? Mayangi.
Yeah.
Wow, well done. Let me just, I got my sentence now. In French, I said, nous ne sommes pas de la philosophie de l'autonomie individuelle. We are not from the philosophy of individual autonomy. Basically, if you read Albert Camus, you read Jean-Paul Sartre, those philosophers from France, this is not Congo culture. Congo culture, African culture, we think differently. Okay. Next time we will talk more about that. I can't say everything. I can't say more live, yeah? That's good. Any question? Okay, someone saying hello to you from YouTube. Someone needs to answer. Who can answer? Dengo Mayangi.
Kiambote.
Because Kiambote Kiano means hello to you. Hello to you. The same thing. Hello to you. Kiambote. Wow. Okay, any question? We're stopping there. I have another class soon.
Right.
Okay, thank you very much for coming. Hopefully next time they will be here. I'm very proud of you all. You are Congo, man.
Your viewers don't think so.
Yamote.
Okay. I'm waiting for you to leave. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you,
Bye-bye.
brother. Thank you. Long vowel. This is just phonetic spelling. You don't need to write it that way.
Lengua, meaning mother, madam, message.
Yes.
Timba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomou, Villiers-Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Charlie Nicolo. Mamalandu. Agua Kumpo. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Massagira. Zozoru Kanu. Lisa Keita Kulama Serge Ngogo na San Diego